KMES English Medium Junior College welcome its students for the online lecture of psychology for Standard 11, Chapter 4, Human Development, for the topic Developmental Stage of Human. 4.4.1 Prenatal stage, a period between conception till birth, is called prenatal period. The duration of this period is 238 to 290 days. During this period, major development takes place and that too in a very rapid manner. This development goes through three stages: germinal stage, embryonic stage and fetal stage. Germinal stage. This stage ranges from conception to 2 weeks. Within few hours after conception, the single fertile cell called a zygote starts a journey down the fallopian tube to the uterus, where it will begin to the process of cell duplication. In this process, zygote divides itself into two cells, then goes on duplicating itself. By the end of this period, zygote gets attached to the wall of the uterus. Embryonic stage. At this point, the mass of the cell is known as an embryo. This stage starts from the 3rd week after conception and continues till the 9th week. It is a time when the mass of cell becomes distinct as a human. The embryonic stage plays an important role in the development of the brain. Almost all the internal as well as external organs are developed by the end of this period. The fetal stage. The fetal period is marked by more important change in the breathing. The period of development begins during the 9th week and lasts till birth. The body part and structure established in the embryonic stage continue to develop during this stage. The characteristics of the prenatal stage are as follows. 1. Heredity serves as a foundation for later development. 2. Favorable condition in the mother's womb can foster development of hereditary potential, while unfavorable condition can block their development. This may distort the pattern of future development. Sex determination takes place during first 3 months of life. Proportionally, for faster growth and development takes place during the prenatal period as compared to an individual's entire life. If proper care of the mother is not taken, it may lead to physical and psychological hazard to the unborn child. Postnatal stage. Human development consists of 2 stages. One is prenatal stage, another is the postnatal stage. Prenatal stage consists of 3 stages, that is germinal, embryonic stage and fetal stage. Whereas postnatal stage consists of the following stages: infancy, early childhood and late childhood, adolescence, early adulthood and late adulthood, and old age. So, the postnatal stage consists of infancy, early and late childhood, adolescence, early and late adulthood, and old age. Infancy. This stage ranges between 2 weeks after birth to 2 years. During this stage, rapid physical and motor development take place. Within 2 months, child can turn his head. Child can sit and walk with support by 9th month. Child starts walking independently by around 12 months of age. The characteristics of infancy are as follows. 1. Infancy is a foundation age because many behavioral patterns, attitude, emotional development during this age. There is rapid growth and change. These changes are qualitative as well as quantitative. Third, infancy is an age of independence due to control of body movement which enable infant to sit, stand and walk and to manipulate the object. Fourth, as a result of development, interest and ability, infancy is the age of increased individuality. Fifth, infancy is the beginning of socialization as infancy goes from being asocial to social. Early childhood. This stage extends from 2 years to about 6 years. This age is also called as preschool age. Child develops control over his muscles. Child becomes physically independent. The physical territory of the child increases. So automatically child learn about social behavior. Child asks numbers of questions to others. Hence this age is called as questioning age or the age of curiosity. The characteristics of early childhood are as follows. 1. Parents call this age as toy age as child play with toys. Educators call this age as a preschool age as the child starts going to preschool. Psychologists term this age as a pre-gang age as in earlier stage the child play along, does not share his toys but now he starts mixing around. They experience strange anxiety or suppression anxiety. Late childhood. These stages range between 6 years to 11 years of age. According to psychologists, this stage is also called as a gang age. During this stage, the boys and the girls make their separate gang. The fundamental skill of reading, writing, calculation develop at this age. According to the educationalists, this is the age of skill development. During this stage, speed of development is slow. At this stage, eye-hand coordination develop along with micro skills. Even cognitive ability like thinking, reasoning start developing. The characteristics of the late adulthood are as follows. For many parents, late adulthood is the troublesome age. As they are curious by the nature, they experiment with new ideas. They are not satisfied with the lame answer. Educators regard late childhood as a critical period in the achievement drive. For psychologists, late childhood is the gang age. Adolescence. Have you ever noticed that your friend has suddenly started gaining weight? Girls and boys in your group have started becoming more conscious about their look and appearance. Suddenly your friend starts talking about his or her crush. You feel like having a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Hold on, you have reached adolescence. Age between late childhood and youth is called adolescence. This age range between 13 12-13 years to 19-20 years. During this age, rapid physical development takes place. This stage begins with puberty, weight, height, and of adolescence increase. Due to the maturation of sex organs, secondary sex characteristics develop during this period like breast development among girls, growth of moustache and the pubic hair among boys, and their voice become changed. In this point, search for identity and independence develop. Though thoughts are more logical, abstract and idealistic. Adolescents like to spend more time with their friends. Some other existing problems faced by the adolescents are internet addiction. Adolescents are indulging more in social media like WhatsApp and Facebook and in online gaming, which in turn lead to the problem like lack of concentration and social interaction. College dropout. Some students may leave college before completing their graduation due to the financial problem or problem in academics. Identity crisis. Adolescents are confused about who they are and they are neither child nor adult. Parents treat them differently in different situations. Some adolescents pursue psychological a period in which they take time off from upcoming responsibility of adulthood to explore various roles and possibilities. James Marika approach to identity development. Identity foreclosure. Here adolescents just accept them other decisions about what is best for them. For example, a doctor's son become a doctor. Such adolescents are happy and self-satisfied. They have need for self-approval. They tend to be authoritarian. Identity diffusion. Here adolescents neither explore nor commit to the alternative. Such people are socially withdrawn. They appear carefree but their lack of commitment impair their ability to form close relationships. Some adolescents fit from all the four categories but for most of them identity get in late teens and early 20s. Moratorium. Here adolescents explore some alternative but make no commitment. They experience high anxiety and psychological conflict. They are likely to appeal and seeking intimacy with others. Identity achievement. Here adolescents explore and search through what they are and what they do. Teens who have reached this stage tend to be psychologically healthier, higher in achievement motivation and moral reasoning. Depression. When adolescents experience break-up in relationships, failure in exam or in particular activity or death of some loved one, they experience feeling of sadness, loss or grief. Sometimes they feel so hopeless that they stop following normal routine. Depression would be due to genetic and environmental factors. Environmental factors like parental over-expectation, unhealthy competition, peer pressure, unpopularity, having less number of friends, getting bullied, rejection are associated with depression. Suicide. The rate of adolescent suicide is higher for boys, although girls attempt suicide more frequently than boys. In case of boys, it is more fatal as they use violent means to commit suicide. Social inhibition, perfectionism and high level of stress and anxiety also create higher risk of suicidal attempt. Early adulthood. This stage range between 21 years to 40 years. During this period, personal career choice and economic independence are the prime concern for young adults. At this stage, individual tries to settle in his life. Men and women take responsibilities of their family and start earning money. They plan for earning money, having children, gaining place in society during this stage. The characteristics of early adulthood are as follows. Adults at the age of settling down. Once they are legally mature, they have to shoulder their responsibilities. Adulthood is a reproductive age. Problems faced in this stage are different from problems faced at earlier stage. An adult tries to establish himself in life, and as a result he experiences tension. As they start working and get married, they do not get time to mingle around with their friends like earlier. They have to adjust to new pattern of life. Adulthood is a time of change, experience change in value system. Early adulthood is a time of adjustment to new lifestyle. Late adulthood. This period ranges between 40 years to 60 years of age. It is a time of more responsibility. They assist a next generation to be competent. The capacity of reproduction starts declining. Mental and physical capacity slowly start declining. The characteristics of late adulthood are as follows. Late adulthood is a dreaded period due to mental and physical deterioration. Late adulthood is a time of transformation where men and women leave their physical and behavioral characteristics of adulthood. Late adulthood is a time of stress and there is radical financial burden. Individuals may experience nervous breakdown due to overwork, anxiety, etc. Late adulthood is a time of achievement. Addiction says that at this age people get experience and society expects them to be more constructive. Late adulthood is a time of evaluation where they evaluate themselves by their achievement and previous aspirations. Late adulthood is a time of emptiness as the children go out for higher education, job and get married. Old age. This stage ranges between 60 years up to death. During this stage, individual perceive that his capacity and strength are declining gradually. Individual face certain health issues. An individual has to adjust to his environment. In some cases, death of the spouse lead to loneliness. The characteristics of old age are as follows. Old age is a period of decline in physical and mental capacity. There are individual differences in the impact of aging. Old age is judged by different criteria like society tends to judge age in terms of physical appearance and activities. There are many stereotypes about old age. Most stereotypes are unfavorable. Elderly people have a minority group status. Aging requires role changes. Adjustment is poor during old age. The desire to be young is seen in old